Uh, Thank you so much, Deputy Speaker Sir, for giving me this opportunity. I also rise to take part in this court motion brought by two honorable member, Bhardan Samuel from Nongrum and Babraj Barbanyang from Molai, and joining together with other members who had participating. This is a very important subject. So I would like to point out two defective things which are happening in this prime department, that is power department. So I would like to highlight in this very august house that the department should kindly take note of it as one of the defect which I don't know whether it's happening only in my constituency or others also. As I would like to mention that there's no such timing like maybe a timeout. A timer for switching on and switching off of electric street lighting everywhere in my constituency. So I don't know whether it is a fault of a person or official who are supposed to take charge of this, because it's happening. It was an irregular timing for switching on, like up to 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock evening. They are starting to switching on the street light, and even morning time till 10 o'clock, till 11 o'clock. I'm not joking. It's a fact that I would like to highlight in this August house. I don't know whether other constituency it's happening or not with the same problem. The second defective, which I would like to highlight, the whole stretch from JS Road, just nearby Assam Studio, up to Mudfront, up to Stanchiu. This had been a long pending issue for more than a year. It is not a duty as a representative, public representative, to complain every now and then. It is not also the duty of locality heads to do the same. But this is an absolute duty and responsibility from the department itself. More than a year. I want that this problem should solve immediately. And I'm there to offer these two. Whether if the department cannot identify or cannot bring a solution, they should identify the problem. If not, neither these two, they should be fixed responsible. Whoever responsible, be it in a high level or be it in a low level. And I want to see that this issue, it is not a want, it is a need of the hour. Lighting, water and air. This is an essential for each and every day of our life, each and every human being. As we are experiencing every now and then, many untoward incidents happening everywhere because there's no light. There are some areas which are left out unattended, totally darkness. Who will take responsible? Who will be fixed responsible? And I'm there to say, in this very august house, If this such thing happening, keep on continuing, happen day by day, ask myself as a responsible representative, it will compel me to drag them to the privilege committee. I want that this issue should resolve immediately and urgently. So, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I will not take much of your time. So I express my thankful to you for giving me this opportunity to address few of the problem facing in my constituency. Thank you so much, sir.
Any member?